Hey, what's up, everybody? Happy Friday, almost 4th of July. Today, we're going to look at Google Analytics. Well, what is it? Well, it's a free tool from Google that helps you understand your users to your website or your app. Where are they coming from? What page are they looking at? How much time do they spend? So, we're using one of our clients, Anchor of Hope Counseling. This is their website. Check them out, based in South Lake, Texas. Okay, we are looking at 1 year traffic. So let me highlight some of the main reports. Okay, the first report I want to talk about is audience. This is going to show you how many users have you had. It doesn't tell you a whole lot, but let's say you're interested in finding a city. Okay, so you can just search for that. You can also drill down, but I already know what this is. So when I do that, watch what happens. Now we have a lot more information. 800 visitors from Dallas, Texas. Okay, how did I do that? I added a dimension. You can remove that by clicking on this X. So that's one report that's very important. Okay, what's another report? Let's take a look at where are these visitors coming from. Okay, for that one you have to go into traffic acquisition, and then once you're there, you can see that, whoa, we have a lot of organic traffic, direct traffic, and social traffic. So I'd be interested in where's the social traffic coming from. So again, you can click on this plus, add a dimension. So let us just call it source, I believe. Session source right here. This should help you break down into further, basically buckets. So if you look at organic, a lot of it coming from mobile, Instagram, and Facebook. This is great. Okay. Also, you can see that there's a lot of other columns here. If you wanted to get rid of these, I'm not going to change it because of the client, but you can come up here, you can customize this report, and then you can change the metrics. Metrics are the numbers. So if you didn't want revenue, you could just hit X, get rid of these, and you can hit apply. I'm not going to do that. Okay. So I think those are a couple of the reports that are important. How do you set up analytics? So that's the question I get asked a lot at the place where I teach, or also from clients. I'm going to show you another website. This is an internal website, learningcomputer.com. I'm also logged into the backend. So you have your website and you have your Google Analytics. How do you integrate them together? Well, in WordPress, you use what's called plugins. If I go into plugins, I'm going to find Monster Insights right there. Okay, and then I'm going to click on settings, and then I'm going to drill down. Couple of ways you can do that, but one way to do that is to use your Google Analytics G4 measurement ID. Well, okay, Cash, what is that? So again, I go into Analytics. This time I'm not going to look at the reports. I'm going to go down to Admin. See this gearbox on the left? So you're going to do that, and then once I bring up the Admin section, I'm going to go into Property. In fact, not the property, data collection and modification. I'm going to click on data streams, and right there you see this is learningcomputer.com. This is the key important part right there, this measurement ID. You have to use that, and if I go in here, you can see that this number matches that number. I hope that helps. If you have questions on Google Analytics, please reach out to me. Happy 4th of July, happy Independence Day. We will see you soon.